Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lex. I'm going to go in with 3 colors from this palette: the orange, the brown, and that gold cappuccino. Using the base from P. Louise in 2, I'm going to set this on my eyes and blend it out for the perfect canvas for my shadow. This is going to make the eyeshadow pop. If you don't have this, you can use a concealer. Just packing on that brown right where my crease starts, and I'm gonna blend it out or buff it out a little above the crease. Now I'm taking that orange color and blending it right in between the brown and the rest of the eye, and I'm just going to work my way up, slightly up. Try not to go all the way up by your brow bone, because you still want to see that nice highlight where your arch is. So just try to keep it low, but continue to blend between the brown and the orange. And you can use patting motions. That's what helps best with using matte eyeshadows. To give us a slight glam, I'm going to add this cappuccino color. It's a bronzy color right in the center of the eye, and it's just going to open up the eyes. And I'm also going to apply this in the inner corner of the eye. So this just brings a little glamour, a little glitz, a little glam to the look. Spice it up a little bit, and I'm just going to tap that product in. Take that same brown color and go in toward the outer corner and the inner corner and just blend it out. And that is it, guys. We are done for the eyeshadow. Onto the lashes from I Envy, and I am using the lash liner from Miss Pink. Your girl is the new brand ambassador for this company. This liner that they sent me is a lash liner, and you can use this eyeliner to apply your lashes. Girl, where they do that at? I am so happy about this liner. It literally did the job. I was actually pretty surprised. I do have a discount code for this eyeliner here, or any products on their website, so you can use code LEX20. I'll put it down below to get you some money off, get 20% off anything that you purchase. And as you guys can see, the lashes pop right on. I was shook, honestly. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'll put everything down below along with the code for Miss Pink. Again, shout out and thank you to Miss Pink for considering me to be a brand ambassador. And guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.